the kitchen, there are some important things that we need to add, which is a dishwasher. We want to extend this out just a smidge to get in a little bit more cabinetry. We're thinking about getting rid of the window and putting in some wall cabinets. And we're going to turn around the pantry and basically create this whole space to be a kitchen / laundry. So the kitchen kind of feels bigger.
Even though we're not changing the floor plan.
The thing I love about it the most is my dad actually designed it on Kaboodle's 3D planner. He designed this himself and then he installed it himself. We went with this stunning colour scheme, which is the strong green and the edamame, and then partnered it with a feta whip, which is a really subtle kind of cream. And then we went for the timber bench top and brush nickel knobs and handles, which I think looks stunning. Now the things I love about this space right here, firstly, is that we changed the window so it looks beautiful, but it also opens to the outdoors. It sits perfectly on the bench top, so it becomes a splashback. And then we partnered it with this stainless steel sink and also a stainless steel tap, which pulls out as well, which we got from Robertson's, which, yeah, I really, really love. We also went for, from Hire, we went for their smaller scale dishwasher. So this is for compact spaces. It's only $4.50, but for mum and dad, there's only 2 people living here, so it actually is a perfect size and meant we could get a dishwasher into this space. And then we also partnered it with their oven and their cooktop and also an integrated range hood. So this bad boy has like air fry, slow cooker function, so it's a high function oven, which means that they don't need any extra appliances, which I really love. I have a fridge right here, so you kind of walk in and can access the fridge, so the flow is really nice. The wine rack's above because maybe living close to me makes mum and dad drink a little bit more. Then this is basically like this is pantry, cooking space, and then we go into laundry. So here we are with our pull out space. Then we have a microwave. So this is kind of like a mini little bench top here. And then here is all of your broom closet and extra storage. And then you turn around into like more of a scullery, laundry space. We've got the Hire combi, like a washer and a dryer integrated. So again, just to maximize space, extra storage here. Open shelving. This is a push to touch to open, so we didn't need handles, just to make it all feel really seamless. And then of course the splashback from Tile Demo, and kind of going with the sort of retro colourful theme that we've got going on in this renovation.